For Gemini sign, the Rahu Ketu transit will impact the expenses and health issues. These are the major issues for all Gemini men and women in the coming 18 months. If you are young, you must observe your expenses and they can lead you to more stress and restlessness. If you are above 40 years, then you must be very careful about your health. You must definitely do a regular blood test. Prevention is always better than cure. Foreign travel is possible in the coming 18 months for Gemini men and women. But again, expenses will be too much and travel to foreign land will be a stressful experience. Rahu transit in the 12th house may also bring certain paranormal experiences in your life. Black magic, tantra, voodoo spells, ghosts. You may feel attracted to many such dark aspects of human life, or you may be impacted by these aspects of human life. On a positive note, if you are a meditation practitioner, then you will experience many wonderful spiritual experiences in the coming 12 months. You will remain careless about your health, and also you will not pay much attention to the activities of your enemies. You must remain vigilant about the actions taken by your enemies. There is a high possibility that you may miss to realize the dangerous plot that your enemies may be planning against you, and thereby you may become a victim and suffer at the hands of your enemies. During these 12 months, your secret enemies will try to create more trouble for you. But if you remain cautious and bring awareness to your life, then you can deal with all your enemies and save yourself. Always remember, you can change for good when you bring awareness into your life. Awareness is the greatest alchemy there is. Just go on becoming more and more aware. You will find your life changing for the better in every possible dimension. It will bring a great fulfillment. All Gemini men and women need to be aware and cautious when dealing with your enemies, since your enemies can really make your life miserable if you miss to remain alert and bring awareness to your being. Think, stay alert, and don't get hurt. That is the message for all Gemini men and women, especially for Rahu and Ketu transits. Jupiter-Saturn transit in the 8th house for Gemini men and women is not going to be of any support, but you will definitely take a lot of interest in occult sciences and may also indulge in practicing tantra or magic spells. You will find great difficulties from your in-laws if you are married. You will also face certain legal issues from your in-laws. You need to be careful while dealing with your partner's finances and your in-laws. The coming time will be of great difficulties and mental sufferings for Gemini men and women. But always remember that sufferings are blessings in disguise if you can learn from your failures and setbacks. Only through suffering do we learn. The year is of suffering for Gemini men and women. But once you bring awareness to your being, once you start meditating, once you become a prayerful man, then you are able to sail smoothly and in the process evolve as a much matured individual. Always remember, and I say it specifically to all Gemini men and women, when you learn how to suffer, you suffer much less. The question how is very significant, because when you learn how to go through a certain difficult road, you can find the way. You can walk through the difficult phase of your life with much ease. This how can be realized only when you start meditating. To all Gemini men and women, I specifically encourage you all to meditate every day. The most effective remedy for Gemini men and women is to overcome this difficult phase of life by becoming more and more meditative. Meditate every day and remember, you are not alone. Remind yourself that God is with you always. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.